It's official. South Suburban has been recognized as one of the best Parks and Rec districts in the United States. The Commission for Accreditation of Parks and Recreation Agencies has awarded their designation to us. There are over 12,000 providers in the United States, and we are one of about 170 that have been accredited. That places us in the top 2% in the United States. Thank you again for your wonderful support throughout all of the years with South Suburban. We want you to continue using our facilities, fields, bike trails, hiking trails, and we'll look forward to seeing you this fall.
I'm standing here where one of our 2 synthetic turf fields will be located. This concrete wall is just the beginning of a 206,000 square foot facility that will include 3 sheets of ice, 2 synthetic turf fields, 2 gymnasiums, a restaurant and bar, and meeting rooms. We've started pouring concrete for the foundations and are on track for a December 2020 opening. For more information about our community-driven project, visit ssprd.org.
The weather may be cooling off, but we've already got our eyes on next summer. Be prepared to dive into 3 completely renovated pools next May. Demo has already begun on Franklin, Harlow, and Holly Pool. See renderings with site plans and amenities on our website, ssprd.org/outdoor-pools.
Some major improvements have happened at all 3 of our recreation centers. Here at the Buck Recreation Center, if you haven't already taken a look, we have all new water features. And construction on our new locker rooms and restrooms is almost complete. Speaking of locker rooms, Goodson Rec Center started construction on its adult locker rooms. And there's new cardio equipment for you to try out. And at Lone Tree, you'll notice the upgrades to the babysitting and preschool rooms, as well as fresh paint in the gymnasium.
Tennis is a complicated game, but luckily for you, we are breaking it down. Join our newest program, Stroke of the Week, and learn a new skill in this 1-hour class. It's perfect for any ability. Our Little Hoopers basketball program is gearing up for the winter season. Learn the fundamentals of basketball while also getting to experience live gameplay, perfect for children ages 5 to 7. Think swimming is just for summer? Well, try again. Our 3 indoor pools are the perfect place to play, splash, and party. Celebrate your birthday party with us at Buck, Goodson, or Lone Tree Recreation Centers. Have a great fall, everyone, and we'll see you around the district.